Okay, right now we're going to show you how to program a shot with a Breville. On occasion, depending on the grind that you're using, how much coffee you're using, and what the previous owner used, you might need to change your programming settings. So basically how it works is you tell this machine how much water needs to go through these grounds. And depending on the pressure, like I was saying before about the grind and how much coffee, that will change from bean to bean and person to person. So the way you make it work for yourself is you get your coffee ready, you put it in here, we'll go a cup, and then to program it easily, we'll just press the programming button. You'll hear it beep and blink, and now you can program either of these. Now we're gonna program the double shot, so we're gonna hit this, and you can see that both lights are blinking, meaning it's in programming mode. And so now it's gonna pull the shot, and it won't stop until we tell it to. Pressure rising, shot is pulling. Okay, and now when we've hit the desired volume that we want the machine to remember, we'll just hit the same button one more time. It stops and beeps twice to let you know that it's remembered. Now, the next time you make a coffee, using the same amount that is, whenever you hit this button, it'll automatically give you this exact volume every time. And you can do the same thing for the single cut button, doing a lesser volume. That way you have two different options for the amount of coffee you'd like to have. And that's how you program your shots.